The Pearl Percussion Kit PK200C gives beginning percussionists a genuine band room feel with aluminum bells that cover a wide range and have clearly marked notes for easier learning. Its bell frame and hardware feel sturdy and classroom-ready, using impact-resistant materials and a slide-on stand system that locks in securely without a lot of fiddling. The included practice pad mounts on the same stand and offers a surprisingly realistic rebound, so students can work on snare technique without disturbing the whole house. A compact backpack-style case with reinforced handles, storage pockets, and roller wheels makes it practical for students to haul the full kit between home, school, and rehearsals. The kit comes complete with appropriately sized drumsticks and dedicated bell mallets, so there is nothing extra a new player needs to start practicing right away. Overall, the PK200C feels thoughtfully designed for young learners, balancing durability, musical quality, and day-to-day convenience better than many entry-level percussion sets.